CARPRO Gofx, which is glass oil film removal with an X.
Yeah, this is slightly different to Ceriglass. So Ceriglass has got cerium oxide in it. This hasn't. So this is a nice softer version for your glass. If your glass is new or your car's not that old, it will remove any dried minerals that are on it that are not coming off with your normal wash process yet. Any bug residue, stuff like that. It's good preparation for fairly new glass. That's the difference. So it's nice and soft, not as aggressive, and it will remove any previous applied coating as well, as we found out today. Took it off straight away, no dramas. Used the little Flex PXC polisher with it.
He was basically looking for hydrophilic water, wasn't he? He was looking for the water to stick on your screen rather than fall off.
Yeah, absolutely. Just want to make sure we've got it off before we applied G-force then. Yeah, I thought it worked quite well. We used the black rayon pad with it.
Yeah, seemed to work. Yeah, came off all right.
Yeah, it came off all right, wiped off all right. Better with a damp cloth, bit of a razor afterwards, just to make sure you got it off. But yeah, we couldn't help it. It was pretty good, yeah.
Yeah.